I got for y'all today. I will be unboxing eBay's cheapest head press. Like, the cheapest one I can find on eBay. You know what I mean? I'm doing this because, first of all, I'm on a budget. Second of all, I just want to see how it performs with the price that I got it. I ain't going to tell you the price that I got it. It was a really good price, but I'm not going to disclose it. But I will drop a link to where I got it from, the exact one, and then you'll see the price then, but I ain't going to tell you. But anyway, we're going to do that. We're going to unbox that, and just in case, we're going to unbox, and then we do YaDigg, so stick around. Alright, so here we go. First and foremost, this how the box came, you know what I mean? Got a little picture. Generic, like I figured it would be. It's from eBay, so I ain't expect no extravagant box. But it's a little beat up. It's got a hole in it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, the picture up there. It's got some good weight to it. So I'm actually feel loose in here. I hope it ain't have something important. But yeah, let's get the opener. Where's my box cutter? Alright, what we got here? So you got a warranty card or something? It's definitely suspect. But anyway, yeah. Got the little guy up here, a little golfer. Got a picture of the heat press. Excuse me, hat press. But yeah, I don't think these instructions are in English. But the machine is self-explanatory. I think so. Alright. Oh, it's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. Let me see if I can put this to the side. Show y'all, take y'all to the gun show real quick. Show y'all these guns. Okay, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, alright. The screw in the box. Screw came out somewhere, so let's get that. This over here. Okay. Right. Go ahead. Take the plastic off. Okay. Like the colors. Little keep fresh pack. Alright. We need to find out where the screw came from. But it's what I expected, I can tell you that. It actually looked a little better than I thought it was gonna look. I thought it was gonna come in looking like real suspect, but it came in looking pretty decent, man. But like I said, this is the cheapest one I could find. Y'all wouldn't believe how much I paid for this hat press. I don't know if I put it on a super deal or whatever, but for this to be my first hat press and to try something out, you know, I think it was worth it. People talk crap about these type of hat presses, but everybody has their own experience with them. And you know, if it clunk out, then I get a better one. But I'm starting off with something. You dig? You know what I say? Do because you can, baby. But yeah, that's not supposed to be to the end of the video. See, I'm jumping the gun. But yeah. So I tell you what, y'all give me a second. I'm first this zip tie. I mean. Okay, she opened up like the 6-fold. Let me ride. You see that thing? Woo. Alright. She feel good. We'll adjust it. She feel real smooth though, y'all. Okay. Yeah, okay. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, y'all, I'm gonna give me a second, and we're gonna throw this joint on the table. See how I do. YaDigg. Alright, so got it up on the table. Like I said, I am surprised at how good it looks. Um, yeah, it's got the old school boxy feel to it. You know what I mean? But for what I paid for, it definitely looks nice. So you got your little handle here. Y'all know how that works. Got my platen. Now this doesn't have the replaceable platens like all those expensive hat presses y'all got out there. But I'm working my way up to that one. You dig? But this definitely is a good universal size. I'm probably gonna drill it to the table, make it more stable. But yeah, see, she opened up pretty smooth. Yeah, it's got nice. It's really smooth. Turn it at all angles so y'all can see that. I'm definitely not mad at you, eBay. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna get a head up here. Just gonna put a head up here just to demonstrate real quick. I ain't gonna press no head just yet. We're gonna see how it feels on the plane. Now I wonder if you gotta, cause it's a snapback, so let's see if we can do this right, y'all, so y'all can see me. Probably gotta. Okay. All right. Fits pretty good, y'all. It's not. It's a little slight of a very small bubble right here. But it's not. It's not like poofed up like I thought it was gonna be. It actually fits perfect for the type of hats that I'm trying to do. So that's pretty dope right there. Okay, let's see if the platen lines up. Oh, see like how it's hitting the bill. I believe these two adjusters up here is 1 and 2. If you loosen these up, you can actually slide the heat plate back some. So I think I need to just scoot it back a little bit, right? Tighten it up. I still got an extra screw. I don't know where it came from. You don't know when this bad boy fall apart, you know what I mean? Nah. Alright, let's see. Yeah, there you go. Now it fits. You see, at first it was hitting my little brim here. It's not hitting it no more. Look at that. That's perfect. That's a good feel. I'm excited, y'all. We're gonna see how good it do and what it do. YaDigg. Ooh, that's smooth. I like that. Alright, so y'all, I can at least turn around, huh? Alright. Same button temperature. Just like my other heat press time. Yeah. So there you go. eBay's cheapest hat press that actually came in, and it impressed me. Always unplug your heat press, even if it ain't on. Unplug it. You know, only you can prevent forest fires. You did. But yeah, here we go, y'all. Next video, make a hat. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna design it up. And we're gonna make a hat. Actually, I'm going to put a super color hat transfer on it over the seam to see if it bridges the seam. You know what I mean? I heard that it do, and I've seen it on videos when it seals the seam. But we gonna really see. We gonna do that. So again, y'all know what I say. Do 'cause you can. I see y'all in the next. YaDigg.